Hey everyone, Andy here, back again with the Odyssey7Q Plus from Convergent Design. Now I want to talk about some of the new options they have in terms of RAW recording. The Odyssey is packed full of features. They've updated the firmware now to support even more in their RAW bundle. That's the additional purchase above the normal functions of the system, but for really a small amount of money you get tons of options for RAW recording, including support for the new C300 Mark II from Canon. This is the C300 Mark II. It outputs RAW data in 4K. You can send that out to the Odyssey7Q and record that in RAW, or you can send out HD or 2K in 444 and also record that here. On the Odyssey, you do that by selecting this button here, the little gear window, choose your camera, and then choose Canon, right? So, and then I can choose RAW to RAW for 4K RAW, or I can choose HD/2K 444 to ProRes. So I can record ProRes 444 right there as well. Tons of options. So with the Canon, it's a great thing. Basically the same format as the C500, but now they have also C-Log 2 LUTs available, so we can really properly work with the C300 Mark II. But really cool, maybe addition to that is the support now for the FS7's high-speed RAW output, right? So the Odyssey has added the ability to take 240 frames in 2K RAW right into it and record that in ProRes. So 240 frames, straight ProRes, pretty awesome. So to do that, I go to in my camera, I got to enable 2K 240 output. I do that by going in my menu here on the system, on the FS7 I should say, and I'll put this on the screen. Go down to System, change your record format to be RAW output 2K, right? I'll set my base frame rate at 2398. Great. And then back up into my codec here and make sure my codec is set to just be RAW only, so no XAVC combinations. If I do want to do RAW and XAVC, I'm going to be limited to just 120 frames a second. So I just chose RAW only to get that full frame rate burst. And then back up into recording menu here and select S&Q motion, turn the settings to be on, right, enable that, and then set my frame rate to be anywhere between 120 and 240. I'm going to leave it at 240. The max frame rate output there for continuous. And then I go into my Odyssey here and go to camera again, FS7, and it's like 2K RAW high speed, HS, to HD ProRes or 2K ProRes, either one. And that's going to, when you set that up, it'll take a little while to probably reset depending what mode you're in, but then it'll be able to take that feed right out of the extension back of the FS7, right into with one cable only, and record your ProRes up to 240 frames right from the camera. So pretty amazing option, really nice combination, works well. You have all the standard LUTs functionality that you expect with working with the FS7 this way. So really love this new option in the Odyssey. Next up, we're going to look at some of the multi-view and ProRes recording options that are available. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time.